Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Audacity on Windows 11. So Audacity is a free audio editor. Let's see how we can download it first. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Herein type Audacity and press enter. On pressing enter you can see the software is visible. It is free and open source, you can read here. Here is the official website. Click on it. You can see it directly took us to the download page. The following is for Windows. Here is for Mac and here is for Linux. I'll go for Windows one. You can see it supports Windows 11 also. Click on it. On clicking you can see the download will automatically start. The download started. Wait for a few seconds. It's only 33 MB. The download completed. It's only 33 MB. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. So the setup installer started. Select the language. You can change the language from here. I'll keep it English and click on OK. Here is the setup. Go to next, click on next. You can read the information here. It is free and open source. Click on next. Here you can see the setup will get installed under program files. It will only take 87 MB. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse and change the location. I'll click cancel because the following is fine for me, the default. Click on next. You can see it will create a desktop shortcut. Click on next. Here are the details. Just click on install. Now the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. The installation completed. You can see here. Click on next. Now it will directly launch Audacity. Click on finish. Or you can uncheck this and click on finish. Herein you can see the desktop shortcut. Click on it to open. You can see here. Click on OK. Here is the version. Click on OK. And you can see Audacity is visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install free and open source Audacity software on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.